In the silence of the breaking dawn, waves are whispering, you're not alone. Every shadow fades into the blue, like the night that couldn't hold the truth. I've been walking through the darkest roads, carrying dreams I almost let go, but the sky keeps calling out my name, through the fire, through the rain. When my heart begins to fall apart, there's a spark inside the dark. I will rise, I will go through the valleys down below. I won't lose this hope I hold, even when the night is cold. I'll keep chasing, chasing the light, through the tears and through the fight. There's a truth I cannot deny, someone's calling from the sky. Every question leads me to the edge, where my fear and faith begin to stretch. I was searching for a fleeting flame, but I found a love that knows my name. Not the gold or the empty praise, not the lies that the world displays. There's a voice that's pure and still, calling me beyond my will. When the road is hard to understand, I can feel a guiding hand. I will rise, I will go through the valleys down below. I won't lose this hope I hold, even when the night is cold. I'll keep chasing, chasing the light, through the tears and through the fight. There's a truth I cannot deny, someone's calling from the sky. I won't turn away again, even when I don't see the end. There's a reason I still breathe, there's a truth I still believe. Through the storm I hear your voice, in your love I make my choice. I will follow, I will run, to the rising of the sun. I will rise, I will go to the place my heart will know. I won't lose this hope inside, you are always by my side.